They just do not come like this. This is a Defender 90 D250 XS in Santorini black with a beautiful bespoke styling, where a lot of money has been spent, but then find one with 5,000 miles on. A 2022 22 registration, fantastic SUV with awesome styling, 3-litre diesel engine that looks as good as this. Now the XS really does give you everything, like the air suspension, heated and ventilated seats, but then this car has the electric deployable Towbar as well, which I do know a lot of my clients absolutely love. Then pod lights, which are completely blinding everybody, look fantastic, gives that lovely rugged look. Black styling package. You've then got different badging on this, the LED upgraded headlights with daytime running lights, the full extended arch kit, the 22-inch matte black wheels with the fluorescent blue brake calipers just behind. You've also got side steps, mud flaps. You've then got colour-coded roof rails, but look inside, and I must emphasise, because the car's done 5,000 miles, it is super crisp. The car is like brand new. The leather, the door cards, the centre console, steering wheel, it's even got the big screen navigation, which I didn't think was standard on this car. Touchscreen media with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and navigation, wireless charging pad, a tilt and sliding panoramic roof. By pressing one button, that slides all the way back. You've also got the ClearSight rear view mirror, normal camera and the mirror just there. Underneath here, which is the armrest, you've also got a refrigerator. I use it in the wife's car, put cans in there, keeps it nice and cool. It's a 5-seater vehicle with lots of space in the back, so you can see here, you pull that first, then you press this button, electronically it moves it forward, allowing passengers to get in the back to get comfortable. Isofix attachment, centre armrest as well, 3-point seat belts, fully fitted mats. 22 plate, 5,000 miles. With all this styling, if this car isn't sold within 24 hours, then somebody is missing out. Rear spoiler, hardback spare wheel cover, LED rear lighting system, and then like I said, this car has got the electric deployable Towbar. So you press one button and the Towbar comes out. Seats do go down 40-60 split, so you can have them just like this. This rear shelf comes out, and yes, let's not exaggerate, it isn't the biggest boot, but if you want this car, it's because the boot isn't priority for you, but you have still got enough space for a couple of suitcases, bags, and even a pushchair. There's a Towbar with the electrics. Once you're finished, you press it again and it goes away. Everything is colour-coded, back bumpers, arches, spoiler. It's in beautiful condition. What I mean by that is the way it's being kept, because normally a 22-plate car would have scuffs, scratches, dents, wheels would be marked, the driver's seat would be all scuffed and collapsed, and the foam would look a little bit worse for wear. But you can see here, you've got none of them issues. You've also got a heated steering wheel, lane assist, cruise control, and the full digital dashboard. Remember your standard spec on the Defenders, you do get 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, so you've got all that, air conditioning, climate control, Meridian sound system, sat nice and high up. There's a control module for the front fog lights. This is a stunning car, it really is. 3-litre diesel producing 250 brake horsepower, Santorini black. This is the Defender 90 XS model with thousands and thousands of pounds of extras to make it look as good as it is. If you were buying this car and you came to collect it in 2 or 3 days' time, you would be over the moon from the product, the service and the deal. We give the best part exchange prices, we do the best finance deals possible, and the car itself sells. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye-bye now.